All right, hey there friends, welcome to another tutorial from Tech Talk. Today we're going to be resetting this Amazon Echo Dot. This is a second generation Dot. Very simple process, stick around, we're going to do that right now. Okay, so to reset the Amazon Echo Dot, we're just going to need to hold down a couple of buttons for about 20 seconds. So you're going to be holding the microphone off button and the volume down button at the same time. So what we're looking for is this ring around the Dot to actually light up orange, meaning that this reset has happened. So I'm going to go ahead and press those two things down. Again, this is resetting to factory default settings, meaning the previous Wi-Fi, previous codes, anything that this device is holding will be set to the factory default settings. So here we go, 20 or so seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looked like we only had to do about 10 seconds on there, and you saw that little light up happen. And then it goes around to the blue ring. Now the blue ring obviously means that it's in the configuration mode, ready to be set up for the first time. So again, that's how you do it. Hopefully that tutorial has helped. Again, pretty easy and simple. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button for us. Helps us make more great videos, and subscribe. We got some more great tutorial videos on Amazon products, Apple products, Samsung products, all sorts of good stuff coming up real soon. Thanks for watching, friends.